Hello, my name is Vivek. Welcome to Smart BTech Education YouTube channel. In today's topic, I'll discuss about data models and keys used in database. So let us start with data modules. Data model is nothing but is a logical structure of database collection of concepts for describing data. This is called data model. In data model, there are four different types of models. One is ER model, second one is relational model, third one hierarchical model, fourth one network model. So let us discuss about each module briefly. So first we'll start with ER model. So ER model is based on perception of real world that consists things or objects. This is called ER model. Example for ER model is given below. Please check it. And coming to the relational model. The relational model uses collection of table to represent both data and relationship among those data is called relational model. Example, in each table the records are presented. Okay, this is about ER model and relational model. Coming to the third one, hierarchical model. This database model organizes data into a tree-like structure with a single root to which all the other data is linked. Coming to the second point of hierarchical model, this model has a child node will only have a single parent node. Example, one department can have many courses and many professors and many students. This is the diagram for the hierarchical model. Coming to the fourth one, network model. What is a network model? This model data organized like a graph and allowed to have more than one parent node is called network model. Example is given below. It only allows only one parent node. It's called network model. Coming to the next topic, keys used in database. There are four keys used in database. One is super key, candidate key, third one primary key, fourth one foreign key. So let us discuss about each key. First one, super key. A set of one or more columns is called super key. Example is given there. Coming to candidate key. Number of redundant attributes are even called as a minimal super key. It's called candidate key. Example is given below. Please check it. Coming to the third one, primary key, identifier, key of table. Example for under a subject. This is called an example for primary key. Coming to the fourth one, foreign key, columns of table, points, primary key. Example is given below. Please check it. And so this is the end of our today's video. So in the next video, I'll discuss about structure of DBMS. If you like this video, hit a like or subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. In next video, I'll discuss about structure of DBMS. Thank you for watching.